Well, Klay Thompson's time with the Dallas Mavs could be shortened as the Mavs are looking to move Klay Thompson. They're exploring his value on the trade market. The Dallas Mavs are dead last in the Western Conference, a loaded, tough Western Conference. This Dallas Mavs team came into the season with high expectations, having drafted Cooper Flagg with the #1 overall pick. Of course, we know they traded Luka Doncic to the LA Lakers last season in exchange for AD. Now, Klay Thompson is averaging 8 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. That ain't gonna cut it. I don't know what the hell is going on with Klay Thompson. Maybe it's the Megan Thee Stallion effect. I don't know. But he's not able to do any one of the things that he's been known to do, which is shoot the hell out the ball and defend. And he can't do either one of them right now in Dallas. And it's ungoddamn believable how he all of a sudden can't shoot the ball now, because 8 points is not going to get it. And they have to do something now to try to salvage the season. Now, he's owed $16 million this year and $17 million next year. So that is a tradable contract for another contending team.